Top 5 Best Monthly Paying Stocks. Stocks with monthly dividends give investors the chance to make recurring passive income. This regularity better fits the time of many recurring invoices, enabling an investor to use dividend income to cover expenses. As a result, monthly dividend stocks are perfect for investors who depend on their portfolios for income, such as retirees. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell symbol for more wonderful videos. Number 5. Main Street Capital. American major investment company, Main Street Capital Corporation, offers lower and middle market businesses long-term and equity capital. The business announced a 2.3% increase in its monthly dividend to $0.225 per share on November 2. This was the second consecutive month that the company's dividend was increased. Additionally, during the previous 7 years, it has continuously increased its dividends. It is one of the greatest highest-paying dividend companies due to its history of dividend growth and supplemental payments. On November 23, the stock's yield was 7%. The total investment income reported by Main Street Capital Corporation for Q3 2022 was $98.3 million, a 28% increase from the same quarter the previous year. Distributable net investment income for the company totaled $65.8 million. Number 4. EPR Properties. EPR Properties, a real estate investment trust firm with its headquarters in Missouri, is another stock on our list with the biggest dividend payouts each month. In August, BofA kept its buy recommendation on the company and set a $55 price objective because it anticipated that after the pandemic, theatergoers would grow. In the third quarter of 2022, EPR Properties recorded sales of $161.4 million, representing a 15.6% increase over the same time the previous year. At the end of September, the corporation had about $160.8 million in cash on hand. Compared to 22 at the end of the previous quarter, 25 hedge funds monitored by Insider Monkey were positive on EPR Properties at the end of Q3 2022. These funds collectively have interests worth more than $153.8 million. Number 3. Pembina Pipeline. A Canadian energy infrastructure business is called Pembina Pipeline. It runs export facilities, processing facilities, storage terminals, and pipelines. The company's main business is leasing long-term, fixed-rate contracts to other energy firms to allow them to use its facilities. These contracts give Pembina the ability to produce consistent cash flow. Pembina has a strong dividend track record since it has consistently increased its distribution over time. As it completes more projects to expand its energy infrastructure, it ought to be able to keep raising its dividend in the future. Pembina continues to support the transport of fossil fuels while also making investments in initiatives with fewer carbon emissions. Along with its wind energy holdings, it is collaborating with another Canadian energy infrastructure firm on a carbon dioxide transportation and sequestration system. Additionally, it is looking into hydrogen's potential. In the upcoming years, the adoption of cleaner alternatives should support dividend growth. Number 2. Stag Industrial. Another REIT paying a monthly dividend is Stag Industrial. Owning industrial real estate, including warehouses and light industrial buildings, is its main objective. There is a big demand for these properties. In order to address supply chain difficulties, the pandemic hastened the introduction of e-commerce and boosted manufacturing in the United States. Due to the high occupancy rates and rising rental rates as a result, Stag has been able to provide consistently rising rental income. Over time, Stag has been able to increase its dividend. The ability of the REIT to steadily increase its portfolio expansion has been a significant growth driver. Since its IPO 10 years ago, Stag has added more than 400 properties to its portfolio, bringing the total to more than 500 buildings. This industrial REIT anticipates that consistent growth to continue. Each year, it aims to spend $1 billion to $1.2 billion on real estate purchases. Number 1. Realty Income. Realty Income is the undisputed leader among equities that pay monthly dividends. As the monthly dividend company, it advertises itself. As of the beginning of 2022, it has paid dividends for more than 600 consecutive months. Additionally, since its initial public offering, IPO, in 1994, Realty Income has boosted its dividend more than 100 times, raising the payout at a 4.5% compound annual rate. This makes this REIT a dividend aristocrat with more than 25 years of dividend growth. In the future, Realty Income should be able to keep giving investors a stream of gradually increasing monthly income. In 2021, it purchased fellow REIT. Additionally, it invested almost $6 billion in smaller agreements to purchase real estate. That's it for today, guys. What did you think of the video? Please share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more incredible videos.